You probably track food costs down to the penny. But one of the biggest profit leaks in your restaurant may be sitting right under your guests. Furniture doesn't just shape how the room looks. It affects table turns, guest comfort, maintenance costs, and how efficiently you use every square foot. When you see furniture as an operating asset instead of decor, you start making decisions that protect margin and improve service. Comfort drives revenue differently depending on your concept. In a casual dining or premium setting, uncomfortable seating can lower satisfaction, shorten stays, and reduce the chance that guests come back. In a high-volume restaurant, the opposite problem can show up. Seating that feels too lounge-like can slow table turns and quietly reduce the number of covers you serve. The goal isn't more comfort or less comfort. It's the right comfort for the experience you're trying to deliver. Maintenance is where cheap furniture gets expensive. Residential-grade pieces and price-first buys wear out fast in commercial service, especially under constant cleaning, movement, and turnover. That creates replacement costs, staff time, downtime, and a dining room that feels inconsistent long before operators realize how much it's costing them. Table size and base pairing have a direct impact on efficiency. Oversized bases eat up legroom and waste valuable floor space that could support better circulation or another seat. Go too small, and you create wobble, instability, and a safety issue for guests and staff. Those problems show up quickly in real service. When the tabletop and base are properly matched, you can often unlock more covers from the same footprint without crowding the room. Choosing booths versus chairs is not just a style decision. Booths can create privacy and comfort that help guests relax, stay engaged, and in many concepts spend more. They can also use wall space efficiently and improve seating density when the layout is planned well. But spacing still has to work for guests, servers, and clean traffic flow. The best choice comes from how the room performs, not which seating option looks better on a design board. A wobbly table seems minor until it shows up in a review. Guests read instability as poor upkeep, and that small frustration can shape how they remember the whole visit. Table stability depends on base quality, floor conditions, and what happens during service when tables get moved, pushed together, or reset again and again. This is where Oak Street Manufacturing stands out. Stable table bases help reduce wobble at the source and support a better guest experience across daily service. Booth layouts can be planned for seating density and smoother flow, so you get more from the space you already have without creating congestion. And durable tabletops are built for heavy restaurant use, helping operators cut replacement cycles and protect consistency over time. Before you change the menu again, walk the dining room, test the seating, check for wobble, and ask whether your next profit gain is hiding on the floor, not in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Visit Oak Street Manufacturing's website to explore our full product line and helpful resources. Subscribe for more restaurant tips and keep watching with our playlist and previous video right here. See you next time.